Here I have a 5-pin Corbin that was sent to me by Xeo from keypicking.com. This one he's modified. And in order to pick this one, what I use instead of the pry bar or a regular tension bar is a piece of music wire. I put a bend in it. And ground it flat. You don't want to focus tonight. It's because the autofocus is turned off, dummy. The reason I use that is because I need complete control over this plug. And with this tool, I have that. What happens with this lock is you'll set one pin and set another pin, then all the pins will fall. And the problem I have is you get a little counter rotation and it kind of locks up. So you have to force the plug back a little at a time until you get the pin to set, and then move on to the next pin. So let's get in here and and right when you think you're about to get it, everything falls and you gotta start over. Whoo, there she is, picked. All right, let's go ahead and gut it. Turn the autofocus back on. Autofocus. Screwdriver on the follower. I've got a key for this one somewhere. See, I've started to mark them when I know who they're from for sure. Okay, key pins. There's all 5 of the key pins. Now we'll go for the drivers. Okay, that was put in just like that. I'll make sure I keep the orientation here is the way they were put in, so don't mess nothing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's that one, then there's that one, then there's a spring, And there's that one. Looks like they're all about the same. Yep. And there's the last one. So there we go. We've got 5 standard key pins. We've got 5 of the Schlage T-pins. And we've got 5 little master pins up there. And then I said all the springs are still in the housing, but it makes for a really tough pick when you have all 5 T-pins in it like that. Because like I said, you'll set one and one will drop. But if you have a problem to where you're picking a higher security lock and you're wanting a lot more control, I mean, the pry bars are great. I use them a lot in my videos. Let me mess my focus here. Come on. There we go. You've just got a lot of rotation there. And like for this lock, that's way too much. So with the tension bar I made that fits in there snugly, you still have a little bit, I guess, depending on how tight you push it in. Right there, there's none. It's in there tight. It's part of the plug now. So you can have just the most minute little turn, which is all it takes on these sometimes to drop a pin or two. So, like I said, if you're having trouble with one, you can you're getting a little bit of counter rotation, but you can't push the pin up anymore. Try one of these and just turn it back just a hair and see if you can push the pin up. And it may just be a security pin you're stuck on. So that's it. Thanks Xeo for the lock, and thanks for watching.